Hello everyone, welcome back to TechnoChart's YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to talk about the 3 p.m. option buying strategy which can be completely automated. So this is an option buying strategy that requires a capital of around 40 to 50,000 rupees with minimum DD. What is the logic of this strategy? So generally FIs get active after 2 p.m. because at that time the European market opens after 12:30, right? So we have seen that mostly a single sided directional move comes after 2 o'clock. It could be the 3 p.m. or 2:30, and we can capture the entire trend of the after 2 o'clock using this strategy here. On expiry, we have also seen that 20 rupees option going to 100, 200, and 200 rupee option going to 500 or so. So we can capture that movement as well using the same strategy. So this range breakout strategy, when ran consistently, can give you phenomenal returns here. So what are the three trends that are observed after 2 p.m. that are bullish to bearish to bullish reversal, and trend continuation, pattern breakout here? So basically what we are trying to do is we are trying to capture a range breakout here. So in this logic, what we are generally doing is we are marking the range from 230 to 259 here. So once we mark the range of 230 to 259, that is the high and low of 230 as well as the high of 259. So once we mark this candle here, as soon as any side breakout happens, it could be breakout on the upper level or it could be a breakdown, we are going to go and buy a respective call option and a put option on the breakout area, right? So there are multiple type of strategies that can be traded in this pattern here. One could be buying an in the money option as soon as the breakout is happening at this particular period of time. That is the first strategy. One strategy could be you mark the in the money option at 2:30 p.m. and buy that option whenever this breakout is happening. All right, so this would be already in the money option whenever the breakout is happening or the breakdown is happening, and you can capture a higher delta move here because the option would be 100 to 200 points in the money already, right? So let us see the rules here. To capture these moves systematically, we will set some rules like marking the range from 230 to 258 high and low, basically, sorry. And we can use 1 minute candle to mark the high and low of these levels. Enter as soon as the 1 minute candle after 259 opens above this range. You can automate this strategy and or you can run it manually here. So let us understand here. I will open the 1 minute chart right now and let us see some of the profitable trading strategies here. So some of the profitable trading strategies can be designed using this system here. Let me just look at the charts and explain it to you. Yeah. So now we can clearly see that on 19th of May 2023, this is the 230 candle. This is the 230 candle, and this is the 3 o'clock candle here. So once you mark the 258 high here, basically, so you can mark the high and the low of these range. As soon as the price crosses above this area of breakout area, you have to go and buy an in the money option based upon in the money option could be based upon the 230 opening price or it could be based upon the 258 closing price. So you can buy any of the option. Now the backtesting has been done by buying 230 in the money one option and not by buying this option here, right? So let me explain you the strategy details here. So I'm going to share the link in the description below. You can subscribe to the strategy free of cost. You do not have to pay any kind of money. You only have to pay the subscription cost of Robomatic platform. So this is a Robomatic platform which is going to help us to automate our strategy fully, and you can subscribe to this strategy here. So let me just first explain you how you can connect your broker here. So this is the brokers section here. Firstly, you can log in with your email ID and password here. Once you log in with your email ID and password, so once you have logged in with your email ID and password, you can go to the brokers section here. Once you have clicked on the brokers section, it is important that you follow these steps, that you have to add a client. Once you click on add a client, you can write your name, mobile number, email ID, select the broker that you want to select. So let's say that you wanted to trade in Angel One. I will select Angel One. Select the broker client ID. Once you have added the broker client ID, let's say, so yeah, you can click on select and broker, create broker ID here, create an account. So once you have created an account, basically you can refresh. Once you have refreshed, and you can clearly see that, so using this process you can add the broker here. Now let's move on to the strategies part. So as soon as you click on the strategy part, or you can go to the marketplace here. Once you go to the marketplace, you can type here 3 p.m. and if you type on the 3 p.m. option buying strategy, you can select on option, and you can clearly see 3 p.m. option buy range breakout strategy by Jainesh Kasliwal here, right? So once you click on this, you can click on this, you can click on subscribe the strategy. Once you click on subscribe strategy, the strategy will get subscribed. You can click on subscribe. There is no subscription fee here, so you do not have to pay any kind of subscription fee. You can run the backtest. So let me just show you the backtest from 2022 here. 2022, run the backtest. I will also show you the strategy details here. 1 second. So this is the backtest result of the strategy here, where we see a maximum drawdown of for only 11,000 rupees and maximum profit of 9.2 thousand and maximum loss of 3.86k. Right, so total number of trades have been 256, where win ratio is 50% and loss ratio is 50%. To make maximum amount of money, it is advised that you use zero brokerage to save the to use zero broker account to save money in terms of brokerage if you are using only one lot of trading here. You can also paper trade this strategy and backtest it free of cost. Backtesting is absolutely free of cost on this platform, and in 2023 it has already made 26,968 rupees. That is uh, gross return and not net return here. Right now, to you can also backtest the strategy from 2021 to 2022, so a maximum of 700 trading days you can backtest here. Now let us understand the strategy part here in a very simple manner. So the entry conditions are, long entry conditions are, whenever the LTP, the last traded price, crosses the range breakout of 1430 to 1459 rupees, that 1430, that is 230 to 259, you we are going to go and buy this option in the money one option with the SL of candle high at as well as candle low here. So it could be candle low if we are buying an option on the call option side here, right? So this is a modified version of the strategy that we are trading, where we are buying in the money one option with a 40% stop loss on each leg, and this can be completely automated. You only have to click on subscribe and automate the strategy. So this is a range breakout strategy, that is where the margin required is 35,000 rupees, and I've also explained it in the video. I'm also going to share the Hindi video link for this strategy, where which you can go and watch this for free here, right? So this is the range breakout strategy. So here are some of the examples that I'm going to explain, where on Friday 28th of April 2023 there was a breakout, and the option price moved around 200 points in within a very short period of time here. Again there was a breakout with a 40% SL. Using 40% SL is a mandatory stop loss. The exit timing is basically 320 or stop loss, and there is no trailing stop loss, or there is no target profit or anything like that. Why there is no target profit? Because we are trying to capture the maximum money, and it only happens when there is no target, because the duration is as it is very small here, right? So here are some of the examples of 2023 17th of March bearish to bullish reversal here, right? So this is the basic system that we are trying to use to capture the trend following the trending market here. Now a strategy link is there in the description below. You can go and click on subscribe strategy here. Once you click on subscribe strategy, you will see an option to connect your broker. So go and select on the broker side and connect your broker so that you can automate the strategy. You can paper trade it, you can backtest the strategy again if you want, and you only have to pay the subscription charges of this platform, and you do not have to pay any kind of subscription for subscribing to my strategy. I hope you like the video. Do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.